Alrighty guys, good morning. This is David over here at D's Garage. Here we go with another cab light installation on the brand new 2024 GMC. No cab lights. We're gonna go ahead and get them installed. We got a brand new set for that truck. And we have another one right outside that we're gonna be working on as well. We're getting pretty good at getting these down. So brand new truck. And we got the GMC out here as well. We're gonna be working on. So we're gonna get started. We've got few hours to get these jobs done, so let's go ahead and get started here. We're going to be installing some cab lights here. Old trucks. Get down to it. So we finished the cab lights. There you go. Looks nice and clean. This is what the inside looks like here a little bit. Let me see. It's kind of hard to see it, but we put some silicone and drilled our holes. Now it's just running the cable mechanism. Alright guys, so we just finished installing the cab lights. Now we're going to go ahead and do the wiring. Got these little pins in here. There it is, all done. Cab lights. Done deal. This is what it looks like with them on. We wrap this one up. Let me go ahead and turn them on here. That's what they look like. Now we got one more to go, so let's get to it. Alrighty guys, here we have the 2024 GMC Denali HD. We're going to be installing the cab lights on this one. Cab lights, clearance lights. And we're also going to be tinting all the windows with our ceramic film here. We're going to do 10% on the rears, 20% on the two fronts. So let's go ahead and get started. Brand new one. We just wrapped this one up as well. So let's get to it. Alrighty guys, here we are finishing up the brand new 2024 GMC Denali cab lights installation and surrounding tint. We just did the 20% on the two fronts, 10% on the rears. Oops. Okay, so yeah, anyways, back to what I was showing you guys. Cab lights are done, nice and flush, clean on this brand new, what is it, Ultimate GMC. Customer drove from out of town to get these lights done. Found me on my YouTube videos, and yeah, there it is. Earlier in the morning, I did another one for another customer who drove 6 hours to get the job done correctly. There it is. Done deal. 20 and 10. You guys already know. If you guys need to get these done, we'll be more than happy to help you guys out here at D's Garage. Over and out.